social media post that we're posting on, let's say, Twitter or Facebook. The American logo from our flyer, that's what that is. The United States suffers from racism daily, and people are affected daily with these actions. Within the United States, there needs to be an end to racism, and the people need to realize what this is doing to America and the people in the United States. We can't all come together to stop the bad going on with the cultures in our free country. Looking at someone and just seeing their race is not how we as Americans should live by. Gaining that person's knowledge, love, support is being a real American. Stop racism in America. And then a photo of Trump and the KKK burning cross with the KKK hat. This is basically stating that America is not going to where it should be with the races and the humans. Us humans should look at each other for their knowledge, love, and support instead of their race. Here's other countries' logo saying no to racism. We're all human. Being human and committing to stopping racism will help the world be a better place. Everywhere you go, there is racism. Stopping these acts one by one or through the web, we are trying hard to make the world a more peaceful and less racism place, and racism around America and around the world. So basically, this one is stating that the world is coming to be a very raceful place, and stopping the acts one by one or through the web to gain the knowledge of how many racial acts are committed and how much people are actually out there that are trying to stop the race or fight for stopping racism in other countries as well as America. Um, around the world, there's racism everywhere. There's not just racism in America. Giving everybody the knowledge that it's not right to judge somebody just by their race is the best advice somebody could give.